Hello everyone, this is Jacqueline and welcome to my channel. So for today, I want to share with you this very first Notion template that I created, which is the JLPT Quest or the Japanese Language Proficiency Test. So just to give a quick background, I started using Notion just August of this year, and when I first saw it, I thought I liked the aesthetics. That's why I decided to give it a try. Although I have to admit that it's kind of challenging and overwhelming at first, but yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, and I'm grateful I was able to create something like this. And it also gave me motivation to finally start preparing for my N2 because I'm currently N3. Yep. So if you're someone who has an interest to learn Japanese, or you're someone who has already started and is planning to level up, then this Notion template is especially made for you and for me. And for those who are not yet familiar with JLPT, so it has 5 levels, N5 being the most basic and N1 being the highest. Yeah. So for today, I wanna share with you a quick homepage tour of my Notion. So yes, let's get started. First, you'll notice that it's spring themed because it's my favorite season, although we don't have it here in my country, but I'm hoping someday I'll be able to experience it for real in Japan. And also, it's symbolic. It's for new beginnings, new adventures. Yeah. And then I put this anime quote here because I also love anime, and this is one of my favorite anime quotes. I think it's also perfect for us language learners. Yup. And then we have here the time and calendar widget. So you can turn this to dark mode, and then the weather widget. And I also put here this cherry blossom image. And then here is our goals section. So you can put here your daily, weekly, or monthly goals. But I thought of putting here like my goals for the upcoming year. So say for example, you want to master hiragana and also master katakana, and if we can to pass JLPT and 5. And then we just change the color. And when we have finally achieved our goal, we can just check it off like this. Okay, and then I also put here the next JLPT. So every time I will open my Notion, I'll always be reminded. So the nearest will be in 2 days. So for those who will be taking this upcoming Sunday, all the best for you. Yep. And then we also have here a countdown widget. Okay. And when you scroll down, you will see here the JLPT prep. So this is our strict counter. So I included both for Moji and grammar. So Moji is character in Japanese. So I used it to include both kana for hiragana and katakana, and kanji or the Chinese character. So I think this will give us motivation, and this will keep us on fire with our studies. Yeah. And then we also have here the for review today and study today, but I'll discuss this further in my next videos. And then when you scroll down, you will find here this four. So the first is the navigation. So we have here these pages. I'll also further discuss it later on. And then these 4 pages, actually I designed them in a way that they are related with each other. Yep. And then we have here the Moji milestones. So these will be updated real time to show your progress out of these goals. And it's available for each level, which, which is also the same for our grammar. And also, I'm really proud that I was able to integrate these flashcards. So I'm excited to share this with you. And then, yep, I also put here a virtual coffee shop. I think for most of us, we love studying in coffee shops because of the peace and the calm. So I'll also discuss this in my next videos. And then in this little corner, you will find my website. So you can get this Notion in Payhip. So when you click this, you will be redirected to my website. So it's payhip.com/bloomiring. And you will find here all my digital goods. So the very first products I had were these digital practice workbooks for the basic Japanese writing system that you can also avail as a bundle. And if you're only looking for study progress trackers, then you can find both for hiragana and katakana. Actually, these progress trackers gave way for me to translate it into a Notion template. So when you click here, there's a mini um, QRG. Yeah, but again, I'll also create videos for this. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. Um, Please watch out for my upcoming videos, and thank you for watching and supporting me. So yes, see you again. Bye.